เราโทรหามัน9 โมงนี้
We're having some problem.
Now we going on to the market.
Meet Sara, the urban cowgirl, struts through Haatyai streets like a catwalk, catching every detail like a ninja.
Traditional market.
Yeah, veggie, meat, some dessert, food.
Sounds good.
Need a boss who doubles as a friend? She's got your back. Haatyai's heartbeat sings with Sara's rhythm.
You don't go to the supermarket.
No,
you
I
come
like
straight
to
to the
come
market,
here. It's
yeah.
better because
Yeah.
nice food
And
and
it's-
it's small one. You can easy to buy.
They sell the local breakfast. They sell in the morning. Look chup.
Yeah, look,
Yeah,
shoot. This
this is
one
famous
is
in Haatyai.
like a sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
This one
This
you
is-
know.
this I know, chang.
Yeah,
This is-
bát chang Thai.
Bát chang.
This one also see for healthy in the morning.
Oh, these are all for a health drink.
Yeah. Thai callห่อหมก This one is coconut.
And they steam it.
Yes.
Is
yes.
it? They use fish or seafood?
Yeah.
Fish bag. Fish.
Yeah.
Sweet or sour? So this color is
Yeah.
sweet. Okay, let me try one.
ขอลอง Okay.
It tastes like small plum.
Thai veggie. Eat like that with the
Oh, you-
sauce. Eat the medicine. Good for health. Chai sweet.
It's bitter actually. Kapungka. What is this for, Sarah?
Flower to prayer. Morning you can come because have the monk in the
Oh, the monk
market.
comes here?
Yeah, you can.
Do they bargain in the market a lot?
No.
No bargain. You say
Yes.
20 baht, 20 baht.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the culture here.
Yeah.
So where are we going now, Sarah? This is a typical traditional Thai breakfast.
Yes.
Nice place, Sarah. Wow.
See.
What is this? Longkong, duku.
Longkong.
200. Okay. All. Okay. Okay. Ya belilah. Ya. Okay. It's noodle soup. Roti canai. I want to try that. What do you call that?
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวเนื้อ
Nia.
Yeah.
Kuih tiao nia.
Yes.
They love sticky rice here.
Yes. Because my hometown is the north from Thailand. I'm stay like a,
Near Laos.
Yes,
Border.
near Laos border and Myanmar.
Why did you move to Haatyai from Chiang Mai?
In my hometown, when you want to do something about business, it's not easy. I come here to learning before 16 years old to study here in Haatyai. And then I follow my auntie come here.
Fell in love with Haatyai and you don't want to
Yeah,
go back.
then I love Haatyai.
And do you go back to Chiang Mai with your
Sometimes
parents there still?
Yes.
So where are we going now, Sarah?
Sarah wanted to surprise me. She wanted to take me somewhere special, to meet someone special, who have something special. But turns out the surprise was for Sara.
We're having some problem. Sarah calling a friend.
นี่ขนาดเราโทรหามัน9 โมงนะป้อม Sometimes open, sometimes not open.
Oh, we can go somewhere else, Sarah? It's okay? Okay, no problem. Yeah.